Hey, welcome back to my channel, Women of Royalty. I am Maya. You guys, this look was inspired by MILK1422 on Instagram. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures so you guys can see the look that he did that I was inspired by. You guys, I'm not gonna wear this lip out, but I was just doing this for photo purposes. If you don't want to do this lip, you can also do a nude ombre or whatever you want to do, just all black or just nude. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. So I want to do this look real quick. I'm going in my Anastasia pomade in the color dark brown. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I have to shape them up a little bit before I go into that pomade, because girl, my eyebrows really go back quick. Like, I can't believe it. And in the video before, I already showed y'all how to, you know, clean them up and shape them up. So this video is not going to be about that. I'm just doing it really quickly. I just needed to clean up that part, so. Because I hate, even though concealer cover it up, but for me, I feel like I can still see the little hairs. And I do not want that. Hey guys, I'm going to do a Q&A video, so if you all can comment down below in the comment section or send me a DM in my social media accounts, my Instagram, my Snapchat or Facebook page, that is fine as well. Just send me a couple questions that y'all want me to answer. And I'm willing to answer any questions. Please do not send me no crazy questions, but I'm willing to answer every and any question. Now we're just going to take the concealer brush and go in my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Toffee. I should have been starting my makeup. I don't know why I haven't started it a long time ago. I was kind of out and about, but I should have did it earlier, so I wouldn't have to rush and do my makeup, because I like to take my time, y'all. I hate rushing. And I'm gonna go back in to fix that up. So I'm gonna blend this all in. Now I'm going in with the NYX white pencil for my white base. Make sure you don't press too hard because it will break off. And I'm just gonna pat it in with my fingers. You can use a brush, but I feel like it's gonna come out better. Now the next step, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. It's Morphe M433. Use two types of brush. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and a flat brush for two different outcomes. And I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup. And the color is yellow. So I'm gonna go over it with the Juvia. Go in with this yellow. There we go. I'm gonna go over top of it. All right, now I'm going in with my flat brush and I'm going back in that same color. And I'm gonna pat on the lid. Pat, 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 pat. Until that color is the brightest. I'm gonna pull it up some. But girl, you look like the sun. We don't need the sun because you're shining. You're it.
Yellow.
Yes, yellow. That's what color mommy eyes is. I'm gonna blend it a little bit. Just with a little bit of that yellow, and I'm doing it lightly. I'm not even going in hard or harsh. Get a makeup wipe remover, and I'm gonna clean up any fallout I see. I'm going to take my foundation stick and my foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me Matted Poreless, and I'm going to put the foundation on my face. And when you're blending, you're going upwards. Up, up, up. I'm just going over top of that concealer base. Now, if you don't want to run into that problem where you have to go over top of that concealer with your foundation, you can just use a closer colored concealer that's close to your foundation color, or you can go over it with your foundation, or if you use a foundation as concealer. But I just go over there, over top of it with my foundation brush. I've been doing it for a while now. Next, I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer again, the color Toffee, and I'm gonna start contouring my face. I'm going in my black Radiance foundation stick. I use it for my contour. I haven't run into any problems with this. I think it works very well. There's plenty of things you can use for contour. All right, I'm going in with my Flawless concealer brush, and I'm just gonna blend. Take the brush at the end of that foundation stick and go ahead and blend in my dark brown. Now I'm going to go in my Airspun powder, and I'm gonna take just a regular angle brush that I got off of Amazon. Powder. I have two different powders. I have powder from Revlon, and that's the color Banana. And then I have this Airspun powder that I was planning on using that, but I don't have enough time for that. I'm set my face. I basically had it in, because sometimes I really don't like the setting of it. Now I'm gonna take my fluffy brush by e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush, and I'm gonna blend everything together. It's stained, it's a clean brush, and nothing's on it, no product is on it, and I'm just blending everything together. And I'm going upwards with this. Now it's time for my Makeup Forever pressed powder, and I usually take that and Now I'm going back in with my NYX white pencil as the base for my bottom lash. Small angle brush. And I'm gonna go back into my Juvia's palette with that yellow. Same yellow. It's an easy tutorial. Now I'm gonna give you all these palettes, and I'm just gonna Now I'm gonna take a regular black eyeliner from the beauty supply store. It's called Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner. And I'm going in with my Maybelline Pump It Up mascara. Going in with my Black Radiance blush. Just gonna put a little bit. Going back in with my Maybelline Chrome highlighter. I'm gonna make me a fake mole right on the lip. And spray my face with my MAC Prep and Prime. For this look, I'm going to do my beauty supply store. It's called Iris Bella Matted Black Lipstick. And then I'm going in with some NYX Vivid Brights in the color yellow. Alright, now I'm going in with the NYX yellow eyeliner.